Now that's funny.
Every time.
This is Frankie.
Like when Lee started going,
Frankie Ninja.
he wasn't talking to me, that was the plan the whole time.
Yeah,
You guys always cover me. So then they started talking to me.
There you go.
He goes, but and everybody told him after he said, he goes, don't listen. That's what they're saying. Yeah.
I had the Ninja Star.
But and that's what
The real Ninja, yeah, the real Ninja Star.
Because he kept wanting us to go deep, kept wanting us to go deep. But if we get a whole bunch of short ones,
Yeah.
Like we did.
They told me when on the thing they put a back brace.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, sir. How do you know about the Flare Witch project?
Oh, that I don't know about, and you know that's kind of scary. That new one, I don't know if I want to go see that one. That one might be scarier than the first one.
Oh God, here comes the camera again.
Yeah!
Oh, get your teeth in.
Oh, I get some more.
I want to record this guy right here.
If you see that first, if you see that second one, let me know.
Hey, yo. Oh my God!
Oh yeah.
Hey, come on, leave me alone, leave me alone. I'll see it.
Hey.
I touched her butt.
Hey, over here.
All right, peace. Okay, I want to see the soldier. Where's the soldier? What's up, honey?
No, it's all right. Get
What's up, babe? How are you, babe?
Hey, Ryan, let's kiss you.
Okay, give me a kiss.
No, Ryan, it's over between us. Okay?
No, you.
One.
Look.
Mom! Help! Oh, yeah, goodbye kiss, right? Why are you laughing? Why are you? You fool! Let me see.
How come you didn't wear your costume?
That's my costume.
That's not a
Can't you tell?
Not a
Oh, Claudia,
costume.
we ain't gonna get on you. Yep, I look so damn good.
Oh yeah.
I know.
Look at that. Ooh yeah.
I know. Right, right. You know, I've been messing around with Kermit the Frog all day. I
Yeah.
know.
We're going out for about a couple of years, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
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 I'm actually gonna kiss him.
Oh yeah. All right.
Hey, that was too X-rated for you guys to see, you know. Hey, Brian, you got that camera? We'll use it later on tonight, you know. Hey, you touched my feet. Where are you free? Right, yeah. Stay down, right? Stay down. Hey, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Camcorder. Oh,
Ah, yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one.
who's camcorder?
Huh?
Who's camcorder?
Who's camcorder? Where's Marie? I gotta record Marie. Remember this? Remember this film? Back in 1996, we make film here. And it's right there. Okay, this is the Halloween maze that we make right here. Okay. What's up? Perfect.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I didn't say quit taking pictures of it.
Where's the devil?
She's over there.
Right here?
Which one, guys?
I'm gonna say.
Oh, it's right there.
Okay.
Oh my God, he's the devil right here. Oh,
Better
yeah.
watch out.
Hey, you got Quincy, right? Who are you? Are you bedazzled?
No,
Bedazzled?
I'm a she-devil.
You're a she-devil?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, man.
I'm a she-devil. Look at that. You never did let me have a copy of those other tapes you made. Look at she-devil No, it's a girl. It's a girl. That's my girlfriend over there.
That's your girlfriend?
Yeah, that's my girlfriend.
Let me see you give her a kiss.
Huh?
Let me see you give her a kiss.
You want to see you give me a kiss?
Yes.
Hey, oh, no.